Hi guys, naranasan mo na ba yung sumakit yung ulo mo or sumama yung pakiramdam mo without knowing where it came from? But if you really assess your life, kung ano yung ginawa mo from the previous days or hours bago nag-manifest yung sama ng pakiramdam mo is mapapansin mo kasi, kaya pala. Yung mga emotions kasi natin carries energies throughout our body. So sometimes kung bigla mong isipin kung ba't ka nagkasakit, is minsan naiisip mo kasi sobra pa lang ikaw nagalit or nainis an hour before. So, sobrang dami mong emotion na nilabas, galit, or yung mga na-suppress na inis is lumabas, nailabas mo siya. And all of your energy throughout your body is dun nag-focus sa anger na yun. So, lahat ng function nung sinusupply ng energy sa katawan natin is nag-stop and nag-focus lang dun sa emotion na yun, which is the anger. And after that, tapos na yung scenario, you're not angry anymore. And then dun pa lang bumalik yung mga energies or yung function ng katawan mo na nawala during the time that you've been angry. So, kung sumakit ulo mo, sumama yung pakaramdam mo, that's just the manifestation of that anger. It's just your immune system taking its action to fix what's been nasira or ano yung natigil do sa mga panahong hindi niya nagawa yung work niya. But don't get me wrong, guys. It's okay to feel that emotion, kahit anong emotion yan. But always mindfully assess your action or your emotion kung worth it ba yung pagiging angry mo para maranasan yung sickness na manifestation dahil nagalit ka. So dun nga, mayroon akong narinig na quotes na your anger is a poison you give to yourself, not to the person you're angry with. So, kahit sobrang galit mo dyan, walang mangyayari sa kanya. Lalo na't kung wala naman pakialam yung pinagkagalitan mo, di ba? Kung may mga bagay na bigla na lang masama yung pakiramdam mo or something like that, you need to mindfully assess or audit your life kung ano yung mga huling ginawa mo. And then, dun mo kasi mababacktrack kung bakit. So, yun lang. Thank you.